All right, so first question I had, man, can this phone play Gungeon Impact? And as you're seeing right here, yes, phone can play Gungeon Impact. One thing that I'm gonna just caution you guys with that once you're getting this game on the phone, you need to understand that they're pretty big files, so it does take a good amount of time to actually download the file onto the phone. But one cool thing about this phone, man, it's got 256 gigabytes of storage, and as you're seeing here, I'm playing here, there's no lag. I think it's fairly a decent phone, but the one thing that you gotta really make sure that you understand is you gotta have low expectations. So this isn't like $1,000 phone, it's under 250 bucks. It gets the job done. All right. But besides that, phone can play that game. Now, another question that I had in the comments: can the phone play Fortnite? Well, I'm kind of beating around the bush on this one, only because, oh yeah, look, no. Gonna be honest with you, this phone is not supported by Epic Games. I think there's only like a handful of phones on the market through Android that can support Fortnite. Now, you can go around this by, searching online for the Epic Games or, Fortnite APK. This is the game file. And potentially run this game on the phone, but I kind of tried it, and man, it was laggy. It wasn't like the greatest experience I ever had. And I kind of did a software update as I was recording this. And what I pretty much noticed is it brought me right back to Epic Games, and it said, nope, sorry, man, this phone is not supported. But the games that are really good on this phone are just regular Android phones. Like me, man, this is it. Sonic Hedgehog kind of reminds me of the Sega Game Gear, and if you guys know what that is, now I'm aging myself. But for those type of games, this is an awesome handheld gaming machine. I think for retro gaming, and I love Sonic the Hedgehog, so it's got a really big screen. It's really, like over 6-inch screen for gaming, as well as it's got built-in headphones. So yeah, for retro gaming, I think this phone's awesome. All right, one other question that I did have in the comments was, does this phone have a stylus? No, this doesn't, but what you should do is look at phones like the Motorola G Stylus 2023. It's running Android 13, just kind of like this phone, and it's got a built-in stylus. See you in the next video.